Warm greetings to one and all present here. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Antoniraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about the title File Operations in C from C Programming Language. Yes, so C file operations. So C file operations refers to the different possible operations that we can perform on a file in C. So here, in order to have a different types of an operations that can be able to have a different possibilities that we can able to have a file in a C. Next one, here first one is a creating a new file. So in order to create a new file, we can able to give a command f open and close bracket with an attribute as a or double quote a or and w or and w plus. So this will be able to use to create a new file. So next one is an opening an existing file. So in order to open an existing file, we can able to give an f open. So open and close bracket. So this will represent a functions which is used to open a particular file which is being existing in a folder where we have already created, and if it is needed we can able to open it at whenever we are in need of it. Next one is an reading from a file. So suppose if you already have a file, if you open a file, from that we can able to get the details, that is we can able to read from a file whatever the content which is already stored in that. So for that we can able to use an file scan of R or R and F gets off. So if you are giving this command, so it will use to read from a file. So what are the content which is available in a particular file. So R we can able to get this through a alternate command, that is an F gets off. That is a functions representing where we can able to get the content, where we can able to read the content. So next one is a writing to a file. So suppose if we want to write a particular content, so whatever which is available over there will be an writing to the files will be used with the command f print off or f puts off. So if we are using these two commands, we can able to write content to a particular file. Next, moving to a specific locations in a file. So suppose if you want to move to a specific locations wherever we are need in a particular file, that is called as a specific locations, that we can able to choose it. So in order to move to a particular locations in a file, we can able to use the command f seek off or r command remind off. Remind means we can able to move to a specific locations in a file. So for that we are using these two commands. So f seek off and comma we can able to use the function name as a rewind. So next one, we can able to close a file. So in order to close a file, so we can able to use an f close off. So suppose if you are using to, if you want to close a particular file, for that we can able to give this command as an f close off. So this is what we can able to see with the familiar on and today's class, that is, and let me recall it and once again. So we have seen a C file operations. So what are the commands we have seen is called as a C file operations. So with this commands we can able to execute and different types of functions where we can able to get a correct benefits by giving a correct command to the particular systems, and we can able to get an exact output. Suppose if you are not able to give an exact command, we cannot able to get an exact results from the input which we are giving, because it is also all and it comes under an reserved word. We cannot able to get an exact result until we are giving an command for the each executions. Thank you one and all.